let's focus in on the Indian corporate side. Despite a poor performance in the fourth quarter, ICICI Bank remained investors' favorite and led the gains on Nifty. Stock hit a 2-month high as the ICICI Bank board met and it was concluded yesterday, but it's still a wait-and-watch moment for all of us till we get any update on the discussion over bank's chief's alleged conflict of interest with regard to loans to Videocon. Calling it a usual board meet, Chanda Kochhar, the bank CEO, said that they will be discussing strategy for the current fiscal year. The government nominee Lok Ranjan maintained distance from the meet for the second day in a row. Neha Bothra now joins in with more perspective on the story. Neha, what's the latest?
ICICI Bank board meeting concluded. In fact, we are given to understand that as far as the board is concerned, matters pertaining to budget planning and strategy for the new year fiscal 2019 was discussed in the board meeting. As far as investors are concerned, this acted as a huge booster as far as confidence is concerned. In fact, remember that not only brokerages but even the street has been very upbeat about ICICI Bank today morning. In fact, the commentary from the management yesterday, although not very forthcoming, the very fact that the management chose to answer these questions added as a balm as far as investors are concerned and soothed their nerves, and this clearly reflected in all the action in the market. As far as the board meeting today is concerned, we are given to understand that the strategy also involved changing the perception of perceived loopholes in corporate governance. In fact, remember that the board has reposed full faith in MD and CEO Chanda Kochhar, indicating that all internal findings pointed to no nepotism or conflict of interest, and this has been reiterated by the board on numerable times. In fact, MD and CEO yesterday also reiterated that the board had full faith and confidence in her ability to lead the bank. All these factors combined have really helped bolster investor confidence and have acted as a balm. In fact, do remember that the very fact that the board would deliberate on its strategy for 2020 also acted as a signal to investors about the sincerity of the bank in improving its growth strategy and also ensuring that it maintains its leadership position in the banking sector.
Okay, Neha, thanks a lot for giving us that update on ICICI Bank.